I'm reading the article called What is Covered by Standard Homeowners Insurance, provided by the Insurance Information Institute at iii.org. Understanding the 4 essential protections provided by your homeowner's policy. Homeowners coverage provides financial protection against loss due to disasters, theft, and accidents. Most standard policies include 4 essential types of coverage: coverage for the structure of your home, coverage for your personal belongings, liability protection, and coverage for additional living expenses. Coverage for the structure of your home. Your homeowner's policy pays to repair or rebuild your home if it's damaged or destroyed by fire, hurricane, hail, lightning, or other disasters listed in your policy. Most policies also cover detached structures such as garages, tool sheds, or gazebos, generally for about 10% of the amount of insurance that you have on the structure of the house. A standard policy will not pay for damage caused by flood, earthquake, or routine wear and tear. When purchasing coverage for the structure of your home, remember this simple guideline: purchase enough coverage to rebuild your home. Coverage for your personal belongings. Your furniture, clothes, sports equipment, and other personal items are covered if they're stolen or destroyed by fire, hurricane, or other insured disasters. The coverage is generally 50 to 70% of the insurance you have on the structure of the house. The best way to determine if this is enough is to conduct a home inventory. Personal belongings coverage includes items stored off premises, so this means you're covered anywhere in the world. Some companies limit the amount to 10% of the amount of insurance you have on your possessions. You also have up to $500 of coverage for unauthorized use of your credit cards. Expensive items like jewelry, furs, art, collectibles, and silverware are covered, but there are usually dollar limits if they are stolen. To insure these items to their full value, purchase a special personal property endorsement or a floater, and insure the items for its officially appraised value. Trees, plants, and shrubs are also covered under standard homeowners insurance, generally for about $500 per item. Trees and plants are not covered for disease or if they've been poorly maintained. Liability protection. Liability covers you against lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage that you or family members cause to other people. It also pays for damage caused by your pets. So, if your son, daughter, or even your dog accidentally ruins a neighbor's expensive rug, you are covered. However, if they destroy your rug, you're out of luck. The liability portion of your policy pays for both the cost of defending you in court and any court awards, up to the limits stated in your policy documents. Liability limits generally start at about $100,000. However, it's a good idea to discuss whether you should purchase a higher level of protection with your insurance professional. If you have significant assets and want more coverage than is available under your homeowner's policy, consider purchasing an umbrella or an excess liability policy, which provides broader coverage and higher liability limits. Your policy also provides no-fault medical coverage, so if a friend or neighbor is injured in your home, he or she can simply submit medical bills to your insurance company. This way, expenses can be paid without a liability claim being filed against you. It does not, however, pay the medical bills for your own family or your pet. Additional living expenses, or ALE. ALE provides the additional living costs away from home if you cannot live there due to damage from an insured disaster. It covers hotel bills, restaurant meals, and other costs over and above your usual living expenses incurred while your home is being rebuilt. Keep in mind that the ALE coverage in your homeowner's policy has limits, and some policies include a time limitation. However, these limits are separate from the amount available to rebuild or repair your home. Even if you use up your ALE, your insurance company will still pay the full cost of rebuilding your home up to the policy limit. If you rent out part of your house, ALE also covers you for the rent that you would have collected from your tenant if your home had not been destroyed.